Alright, so we're here today. I'm in Long Island. I came up all the way from Miami to fix my friend's headlights. Actually, no, not exactly. I'm visiting my friend and he lent me his sweet 2003 ML350 and
come check it out.
headlights over time, which happens a lot, have become quite yellow. So, picked up one of these Wipe-New Rustoleum products, and this is supposed to take care of this fogging situation. So this happens a lot, especially in New York. We have a lot of grime, or in like Miami, where I'm from, where I live right now, where the sun kind of beats on the lens and it creates this hazing effect. And so this, I think this is on TV. So we're gonna try this out. So in the package, it's got the description, and then on the back, the instructions on how to use it. So it's like a two-step process, and then apparently you got to let it sit for some time, and hopefully it's not going to rain today because it has to stay dry for 24 hours for the product to work. So in the box, pretty simple. We have the Wipe It solution, and then a pad to smear it on the product over, and then some gloves because this is a strong chemical, being a well-ventilated area, because it's got really strong fumes. And I'm here today with my assistant Cara. There she is. And we're gonna try this out. Okay? So let's see. All the contents. Alright, so let's see what happens. So we got the water. It's, instructions say to wet the lens. So we're gonna wet the lens. Cara, watch out. Alright, we wet the lens. And then the instructions say to, I'm walking you through the whole thing. Alright, so maybe this will be quicker if you watch it. Okay, so wet the headlight lens with water and use the green side of the lens polishing pad to wet sand the headlight. Cara, no, go close up, that's got chemical. Alright, so the green side, it's got two, green and gray. Got that? So it says to wipe the lens. Wow, you hear that? It sounds nasty. Ensure the lens remains wet while using the polishing pad. The oxidation coming off the lens will appear as a brownish color. Got some brownish there. Okay, so if the lens appears crystal clear when wet and hazy only when dry. Yeah, it's still kind of hazy. See that? So that means we need to do the polishing process. So we can't skip. If it was clear, then we can skip, but there's brown stuff coming up. Then it says re-wet the headlight lens and use the gray side to further polish the headlight lens. All right. So that. You don't notice it, I don't know, but there's like a lot of resistance against the lens, and I can tell it's pretty, pretty deteriorated. So hopefully this will do the job. But I can already, even now, I can tell the difference just from using this little pad. And what's cool is you can fast forward the video. Oh yeah, it definitely is getting smoother. That's the purpose of this DIY, to save you a little time. And so far I'm liking this product. It's pretty easy. The instructions are clear. Right here I feel a little resistance. I work it and it smooths out. Okay, so I am now drying the lens off with the included microfiber towel. I would suggest maybe having a spare one, so I'm going to grab one from the garage because this is getting pretty wet and some of the product is smearing. Now maybe it's because of my novice skills, but there is some oxidation left on here, and I'm sure it'll get better if I work it in, which the instructions are actually is suggesting. So I'm going to keep working this, and then once I get to the next step, I'll continue the video. All right, so I want to show you something because I decided I'm going to do the fogs, or the lower, I guess those may be parking lights. And if you get in here, you can see how the product is removing some of this like, I don't know what to call it, haze, but it's actually breaking it down. Like, I can feel it. So I'm very happy with the results so far. If I work it in a little bit more, I'm sure I can get it even cleaner. Oh yeah, that's like a grime on there. See that stuff coming up? That's really, hope I'm not peeling the lens, but it really does work that off. So I just wanted to show you that as I'm finishing up here, because that lens looks pretty good.
Yeah?
Yes. Water girl, please spray my lens here. Just on the corner here where it's like, yeah, right there, that's good. So just wetting it.
Cleaned it really well.
And now it's really peeling it up.
Woo!
And that's the stuff that is deteriorating around the lens, and it's literally lifting it off the lens.
Look at that.
And cleaning it up. So if you're patient, that's what this requires. Some patience to work it off the lens.
Yes, patience.
And you get a very clear effect. Okay, that's good. Okay, so this is the next day. Everything held up pretty well overnight. There does seem to be a little hazing coming through, so we did take the car out yesterday, went to the beach. I don't know if that maybe had something to do with it. I really think it needs to sit for at least 24 hours before it settles and everything works, but it looks worlds better than when we started. So hopefully this, hope you guys figure out the car's on right now. And I'm going for breakfast. And thanks for tuning in. Again, hit the subscribe button, and see you on the next video.